The changing world of visual arts. Next, when you look at a work of art, a painting, sculpture, etc., it may not be obvious that, like most other things, art too is influenced by the world around it. Next, you may not realize that what you see also shapes your own ideas. Next, in this chapter, we will be looking at the change in the world of visual art during the colonial period. Next, how these changes are linked to their wider history of colonialism and nationalism. Next, this image of British rule bringing modern civilization to India is powerfully emphasized in the numerous pictures of late 18th century Calcutta drawn by the Danleys. In this drawing, you can see the making of a new Calcutta with wide avenues, majestic European style buildings, and new modes of transport. There is life and activity on the roads. There is drama and excitement. Look carefully at, see how the denials contrast the image of traditional India with that of life under British rule. Seek to represent the traditional life of India as pre-modern, changeless and mountless, typified by fakir cows and boats sailing on the river, shows the modernizing influence of British rule by influencing a picture of dramatic change. Next, colonial rule introduced several new art forms, style, materials, and techniques which were creatively adopted by Indian artists for local patrons and markets in both elite and popular circles. You will find that many of the visual forms that you take for granted today, say a grand public building with domes, column, and arches, a scene's landscape, the realistic human image in a portrait or in popular icon of goods and goddess, a mechanically printed and mass produced picture had their originals in the period we will discuss in this chapter. To understand this history, we will focus primarily on the change on one spare painting and printmaking from the 18th century is a stream of European artists came on India along with the British traders and rulers, and artists brought with them new styles and new convention of painting. They began producing pictures which became widely popular in Europe and helped shape Western perceptions of India. Next, when you look at a work of art, painting, sculptures, etc., it may not be obvious that, like most other things, art too influenced by the world around it. You may not realize that what you see also shape your own ideas. In this chapter, we will be looking at the change in the world of visual arts during the colonial period and how these changes are linked to the wider history of colonialism and nationalism. Next, European artists brought with them the idea of realism. This was a belief that artists had to observe carefully and depreciate faithfully what the eye saw. Next, what the artist produced was expected to look real and lifelike. European artists also brought with them the technique of oil painting, a technique with which Indian artists were not very familiar. Oil painting enabled artists to produce images that looked real. Not all European artists in Indian with India were inspired by the same things. The subjects they painted were varied, but invariably they seemed to efficiency of the superiority of Britain, its culture, its people, its power. Let us look at a few major trends within imperial art next. Looking and the picture scape. One popular imperial tradition was that is a picture-shape landscape paintings that was in picture-shape. This style of painting depreciated India is a quaint land to be explored by traveling British artists. Its landscape was rugged and wild, seemingly untamed by human hands. Thomas Denal and the nephew William Denal were the most famous of the artists who painted within this tradition. Next, they came to India in 1785 and stayed for 7 years, journeying from Calcutta to northern the southern India. They produced some of the most evocative picturesque landscape of Britain's newly conquered territories in India. Their large oil paintings on canvas were regularly exhibited to select audience in Britain, and their albums of engraving were angrily bought up by a British public keen to know about Britain's empire. Typical example of a picture landscape painted by the denials. Notice the run of local buildings that were once grand. That buildings are reminded of past glory, remain of an ancient civilization that was now in ruins. It was as if this decaying civilizations would change and modernize only through British governance.